Started my day in Hamburg, a large port city in the north of Germany. Started with a morning run. Most things are closed, pretty quiet at this time of day. And then headed out for a nice walk on our way to breakfast through the city and the local parks. We'll be spending the next few days with Vincenz and Annika. We see yellow police cars, orange fire trucks. We see the U.S. consulate, and we walk along the river and the canals. What do you do when you're lost?
Use the Braille map.
City Hall is decorated for Christmas. We see the last of the Kris Kringle markets on our way to Vincenz's office.
My office at Roboio, the world's largest automation pure play within the automation service sector.
Lots of canals on our way to the Opera House. A quick stop at the Hamburg Dungeon and Miniature Wunderland before going to the Opera House. As Hamburg is the largest port in Germany and the third largest in all of Europe, there are many canals and waterways, making it a beautiful walk. The trains make getting around really easy. Exciting start to the day. I realized I lost a credit card. Yes, I lost a credit card in Germany and had to navigate getting it canceled, which was a little more difficult than it should have been. Not great customer service on the part of the bank, which will remain nameless, but did get it canceled. No fraud, no charges, nothing, just inconvenient. We are headed out for the day using one of the local rental cars to put flowers at the grave of Vincenz's mother in a forest cemetery. No trip to Germany would be complete without a trip on the Autobahn, 200 plus kilometers per hour, as we head to the Baltic Sea. An overcast day, walking around the sea. An evening of games and fun, followed by fireworks at the Oyster. Fireworks are everywhere. All around us, the celebrations continue. Happy New Year's.